Tai Chi Qigong 15式 is a Qigong which based on the philosophy of Tai Chi and extracts some of the best movements from the Yan-style Tai Chi Chuan. It places emphasis on synchronizing the 18 movements with proper breathing techniques. It is a gentle, beautiful, and flowing Qigong exercise routine that is both a joy to do and deeply relaxing. This type of Qigong can be practiced indoors and outdoors. A quiet and peaceful environment should be chosen with good air circulation. Avoid practicing outside at times of severe weather such as thunderstorms. The type of breathing we will be doing throughout this Qigong is called abdominal breathing. Abdominal breathing is breathing using your diaphragm. You inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. It is deep breathing using the full extent of your lung capacity. It is called abdominal breathing because the movement of your diaphragm will expand your lower abdomen during the inhale and contract your lower abdomen during the exhale. This Qigong is designed to improve the general health and well-being of the practitioner. The gentle rocking motions and stretching movements improve circulation and digestion. The chest exercises and controlled breathing are good for lung conditions and asthma. And the overall effect of the exercise is to reduce mental stress and physical tension carried in the muscles of the body. This Qigong is very effective and easy to learn. However, we should not expect to remember all 18 movements at one time. We should begin by practicing the first 3 movements. When these 3 movements have been mastered, proceed on to practicing the next 3 movements in addition to the first 3 that you had mastered. Always add to your exercise in increments of 3. When practiced regularly, most people will be able to master all 18 movements within a week. You will start to see results if you practice this Qigong on a daily basis for 3 months. To achieve maximum results and health benefits from this Qigong, I also recommend that you take a herbal supplement called Intra. This herbal product is very good at enabling your body to establish and maintain a healthy balance. For more information, please visit www.intraherbal.com. Now, let's start with Tai Chi Qigong 15式. Shoulder width apart, relax the whole body with knees slightly bent and clear your mind. Commencing form. While moving upwards, you should be breathing in. While moving downwards, you should be breathing out. Make sure that when you are lowering your body, your back is straight. While pressing down, imagine yourself standing in shallow water, pressing down on the water. Repeat 6 times. Inhale, exhale. Broadening one's chest. The beginning of this movement is similar to the previous one. Inhale when you are raising your body and opening your arms. Start to exhale when you are closing your arms. This movement increases your lung capacity, which is particularly good for those who feel that they are short of breath on a daily basis. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Repeat 6 times. Inhale. Exhale. Dancing with rainbow. Inhale when you shift your weight to the right leg and exhale when you transfer your weight to the left leg. Repeat 6 times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. circling arms. When you cross your hands, remember right hand should be on top of left. Lower your body with knees slightly bent while bringing your arms back down. Inhale when going up and exhale while bringing down your arms. Repeat 6 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Twisting waist and swaying arms. Start to inhale when you bring your arms backward and begin to exhale when you push your hand. You should be exhaling up to the point that your palms cross each other. Your lower body should remain stationary. Repeat 6 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Rolling about. Raise your body when your arms are going up and lower it with knees slightly bent while bringing your arms back down. Inhale while going up and exhale while coming down. Repeat 6 times. Inhale, exhale. Imagine that you are holding a ball in your hand. Lift it up to your eye level and turn your body at the same time. Raise your heels when your hand reaches the eye level. Inhale when your hand goes up and exhale when it goes down. Repeat 6 times. Carrying the moon. Imagine that you are having a big balloon between your hands. Carry the balloon past your knees and over your shoulder, and then you lower your arms and turn and look over the other shoulder. Inhale when you are carrying the balloon up and exhale when you are bringing it back down. Repeat 6 times. Twisting waist and pushing palms. Inhale when you are bringing your hand back to waist level, and exhale when you are pushing out your palm. Exhale. Inhale. Repeat 6 times. Playing with clouds. Breathe in when you are turning left and breathe out when you are turning right. Your lower body should remain stationary. Repeat 6 times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Scooping from the seat. Take a half step forward with your left foot. Shift your weight to left foot when you are bending forward. Transfer weight back to right leg when you are scooping up. Inhale when you are scooping up and exhale when bringing down your arms. Repeat 6 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Playing with waves. Transfer your weight to your left foot when you are pushing out. Shift your weight to right leg while pulling back both hands. Your right heel should lift the ground when the weight is on your left leg. When the weight is on your right foot, your left heel should be the only part of your left foot that is touching the ground. Keep knees slightly bent all the time. Breathe in when pulling back both hands, and breathe out when pushing them out. Repeat 12 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Spreading your wings. Shift your weight to right foot when opening your arms. Transfer your weight to left foot when closing them. Again, your right heel should lift the ground when the weight is on your left leg. When the weight is on your right foot, your left heel should be the only part of your left foot that is touching the ground. Inhale when opening your arms and exhale when you are closing them. Repeat 12 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Punching. Bring back your left leg back to its original position and start punching. Keep knees 90 bent all the time. Exhale when punching out and inhale when pulling back your fist. Repeat 6 times. Flying like a goose. Envision yourself flying high in the sky. Raise both heels when you are moving up, lower them when you are moving down. Breathe in when your arms are moving upward and breathe out when you are lowering them. Repeat 6 times. Inhale, exhale. Spinning wheels. Inhale as your body is moving upward and exhale as it moves down. Repeat 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Then repeat 3 more times with opposite direction. Again, inhale as your body is moving upward and exhale as it moves down. This movement is the climax of this Tai Chi Qigong Subasan. All your meridians should be open at this point. Bouncing a ball. Inhale when your right hand and left foot are raised. Exhale when your left hand and right foot are raised. Remember to bounce once with your standing foot when your hand and foot are both raised. Repeat 6 times. This movement helps to balance the Qi in your body. Inhale, exhale. Pressing the palms. Breathe in when you are raising your arms and breathe out when you are pressing down your hands. Repeat 6 times. This final movement is to gather the Qi back to your lower abdomen, where it is stored. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. After practicing this Qigong, some Qi will remain in your palms. The presence of this lingering Qi will cause your palms to remain warm. On average, the temperature of your palm will be 3 degrees hotter than normal. To feel your own Qi, bring both hands together, with your palms facing each other. Slowly move your hands apart and bring them back together. You should feel a tingling sensation on your hands, and a force similar to that of an electromagnetic force between your palms.
I'm a Shiatsu practitioner and Qigong teacher. My first connection with Shibashi Qigong was through Sifu Wing Chun, and I like the form because it is simple but very a core form that I can use for my students very well, and I'm working with people that have the same problem I have had when I first started this Qigong form, which is severe lower back pain, which lasted for years, and I was able to get over it with this form, and I'm now working with people very successfully who have similar problems.
Some of the group that I teach are frail and elderly folk, and others are some disabled adults. And what I particularly like about teaching this form is that it's simple and easy for people to pick up and to practice in their own lives. So what I've found has been quite beneficial for me is, as I'm going through the menopause, that I can get sometimes sleepless nights, or time when I go to bed and then wake up in the night. And even just getting up and doing a few of the movements can really calm my mind and calm my body. And I find that when I go back to bed, there we are, off to sleepland. So the other thing I found very useful for my older folk is that they really help. It really helps with their posture and their balance.